Now we will talk something about derived gates. As the name suggests, these gates are derived, means they are from some basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So there are two derived gates, out of which first is called as XOR or exclusive OR gate. Now expression for exclusive OR gate is given as y is equal to a b bar plus a bar b. IC 7486 is the logical IC name for XOR gate. So expression y is equal to ab bar plus a bar b is the expression for XOR gate, and the logical symbol for XOR gate is as follows. There are two inputs A, B. We have modified the OR gate likewise to get the output Y is equal to AB bar plus A bar B, and this can be written in short form as A XOR with B. So this is the writing notification for XOR operation between A and B, that is nothing but a plus sign in the circle. If you see the truth table for XOR gate, input, output, inputs as usual A and B, whereas output Y is equal to AB bar plus A bar B. If you are seeing this expression carefully, Y is equal to AB bar plus A bar B, it is nothing but a combination of all the three basic gates. See, there is an OR operation between these two terms AB bar and A bar B, whereas there is an AND operation between A and with B bar, and in the next step A bar is AND with B, and B complement and A complement is also used, that is nothing but the NOT gate. So it's overall it's a combination of three basic gates. That's why it is called as derived gates. So the combination of inputs will be same, and the expected output, if it is derived with the help of basic gates, this will be as 0 1 1 0. We'll see the second derived gate, that is called as XNOR. Logic IC number is IC 74266. Expression y is equal to A into B plus A bar into B bar. The symbol is again XNOR. It's exclusive NOR gate. It's a kind of negation of XOR. Negation of XOR means what? Whatever the output we get at XOR, that will be inverted, that will be negated. So the symbol is like this. So this is the basic symbol for XOR, to which we require a complement, so we add a NOT gate here. So automatically the expression becomes A into B plus A bar into B bar. You can also write this equation as A XNOR with B. XNOR operation is symbolized as dot inside a circle. This gate is further finalized into input A, input B. So whenever you get a NOT gate in front of any other gate, it will be replaced by a bubble. This triangle part is removed and the bubble is attached to the gate. So this is the final symbol for y is equal to A XNOR with B. So this is going to be your final symbol. We will see the truth table for XNOR IC. Input, output, same A, B, output y is equal to A XNOR with B. So combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The output will be exactly opposite to the XOR. Why? Because I already told you that XNOR is the negation of XOR. So whatever the output you got here in the XOR, that will be negated. Means if you will get for 0 0, if you are getting 0 in the XOR, so in XNOR you will get here 1. For next two, you will get 0 0, and the final one again you will get output as 1. So this is all about the derived gates.